So my friend, I am again back with a new video on Flutter development course. Today we are going to start our chat app, and in this video we will create the UI. And if you are an intermediate developer, you can skip this video and get the source code from the description, because this video is completely for beginners, for those who do not know to develop the UI. So if you are a beginner, make sure to watch the full video, and if you are an intermediate developer, you can skip and get the source code from the description and continue with us from the next video. So make sure to watch the upcoming videos. So let's start. So for that, I did created a project named chat app, and I did removed all the default codes and created one class, that meant one stateless widget called my home page. You can see here, and this is our simple app. And now I am going to remove this banner by just writing here banner equals to false, like this way. As I told you before in my previous video, like this we can remove this one. And now we have some screen that we have to build. Here you can see this one. This will be our login page, and this will be our sign up page, and this will be the dashboard. This will be the button of the drawer. This will be the profile, and this will be the chat page, and this will be the profile page. So now let's start it from the login page. Right here, background color equals to color dot from RGB, like this, and just paste the code inside it like this way. Oh my god, wait, like this way. And now just save the project, and here we did cache the color. And now we have the text, that means login, and you can see here all the widgets are arranged in the column. So we need one column widget inside the scaffold, and as you can see here there is no app bar. So just write here the body column, like this way. Inside it write children, that means it will contain more than one child. And now remove this const widget like this way, and here put the const, because our color will be always constant. I did told you before in my previous videos. Now here we need to add one text, that will be login. So that just write here the text widget, like this way, text, right here login. And now we need to put here style, and that will be, it will take the widget called, here you can see the text style, it will take the text style. So that right here text style. And now here inside it we need to change the color at first. So write color equals to colors dot white, because we need the white color. And you can see here this text is in bold, so that we need to make it bold. So go here and write font weight, and just write here the font weight dot bold. Now save the project here, but we need to increase its size. So font size, and we need to check out what the font size of this text size 48. That means we need to write here 48. Just write here 48. It should to manage, but I don't know. Here you can see it is working properly. And now here inside the column widget we need to write here the we need to stretch the column so that it will it will have the access on the whole width of our screen. So right here cross axis alignment, right here cross axis alignment, and again the cross axis alignment dot stretch. And now right here rapid center widget. Now you can see it is in center, and now we need to make it here, so that we need to write here main axis alignment like this way. Again write main axis alignment dot center again. Now it is in center, and when we will add here another region, it will go upper side one by one, so that now we have one text field. So just for that go downside and put here comma, and right here we need one containers. And I know that you know what is container because I told you before in my previous videos. So in the container, don't forget to put here the const. It is not looking good. Const. And now here inside the container we need to add here its height. What is the height of this widget? You can see here is 284 and that 56. Just write here width 284, height 56. Let's see. Yes, it's right, 84. And now we need to add the color. So again we will color dot from RGBO. Just go there and click on this, like this way, copy it and just paste the color code here inside these braces. And now save the project, and you can see here the color is also copied. And we need the circular border. Go there, you can see there is a circular border, so we need to make it circular. Here you can see the radius is 13, so we will also put the radius into 13. Here right here the decoration, box decoration inside it. Now if you use this property called decoration, then don't forget to put this color inside it, otherwise it will be crashed. So I am pasting it here. Now it's for fine. And now that means this decoration will decorate this container. So we need to add here the border radius, so that just write a border radius, and again border radius. Here you can see dot circular, and the pixel will be 13. And now just paste it. You can see the border is also now good. And now we need some padding from both sides. It is not providing me the hints, so I will manage it. Right here the padding, and inside it the child, like this way, and inside it padding, and inside the padding right here in order to add the padding we need to write here edge inserts dot all. That means it will provide the padding from all sides. That means from the top, from left, right and bottom, everything. And if you select here this symmetric one, then you will be allowed to add like a vertical and horizontal. And if you select just only, then you can put the padding from only one side. You will be allowed to do that. So now I am going to add this all, because I want to add padding in all sides. So just go to your again Figma. This design is designed in Figma. So go here, and I want to add this padding. So you can see here there is a 38 pixel from the right left. So just write here the 38 like this way, and try to save it. Now you can see this container got the padding from both side. And again I need another container. Just format the document by just clicking on this format code with dot format, so it will arrange your code properly. So now there is one thing. Now we are going to use that refactor of the code. In order to, here you can see I need this container 2 times for that email and for the password. So that means all the things are same, so we can use this code again and again. So in order to use this code again and again easily, we have the extraction. We need to extract it, so we can use it again and again. In order to extract this widget, we just need to just select here, from here, right, like this way, cut, select the padding widget and just cut it. And at the downside, create one stateless widget like this way, and name it as text field like this way. And here remove this container and just paste the code here and close it like this way. And now when you call this text field, it will make this widget again and again. So I need here that widget 2 times. So just write here text field like this way, and again, because we need it 2 times, so that like this way. Here you can see we did cached it 2 times, so that means we got it 2 times. So you can use this widget in many times as you want, as you need. So I need this widget one more times. No, I don't need it. So you can see here the gap between this text, that means the containers, is too much more, because we did given the padding from all side the 38 pixel. That means this container also have the 38 pixel from the top, and that means the bottom, and this have the 38 pixel from top, so that it is in this much far. So we need to add here, remove the all and just add here symmetric, so that I will be allowed to add here in a horizontal way. So that I need the horizontal in 38 pixel and comma vertical 5 pixel will be enough. So just right here and save the project, and now it is fine, but I need some more padding. So just write here 10 pixel. Now it is good, it's looking good. Let's give it 15 pixels. Now it is good. And here you can see it is only a empty container. We need to add here the text fields, so that in the container there is a property called child. So inside the child property, outside of the decoration here, we need to add here the child, and here we need to add one text field like I'm sorry, text field. Make sure to add a capital F, otherwise it will be recognized as this widget which we did build here, and this is the widget from Flutter. So write this way, that the with the capital F. So like this way, text field, and inside the text field there is a property. There are many properties you can see here, but we will use some of them, like a decoration. We will use the decoration equals to input decoration like this way. And here as a hint text, I need to write here the email, that mean email and border. We need to remove that border. And now in order to check it, just save it once. Now you can see the text field is successfully added. We need some padding from all sides, so wrap this widget with padding and try to save it. And now it got the padding, and that the border is not looking good, so that I want to remove this border dot input border. This will take the input border dot none. This will disable the border. Just save the project and you can see the border is disabled successfully. And now you can see here both of these text field have the same text called email, but we need here the password. So that now what to do here, that if I need in one text field that the email and the second one will be the password, so in order to do that we need to pass the data from this parent widget, that means from our my home page, into this text field. So that I need to pass the data, that means I need to pass that text from this text field into this here. So that we need one parameter that will be called text, and that will be in hint text. So that in order to create the parameter, so by the help of this this parameter we will pass the data from the here to here. So just write here final string hint text, like this way, and here like this way, and here again this way. These are the thing we mention I did mention in my previous video. If you didn't watch that, make sure to watch them. And just write here const, and again here const. I think I will need to remove it, because here in the email we need to add in this hint text we need to write the text here. We need to show the text which will be passed from this. That means I want to pass in the first text field I need to show the email, and second one will be password. So that I need to pass here the email, that the from the first text field password. So just as I created this hint text as a parameter, so write here hint text and pass it as email, and second one I want to make it as password. So write here inside it the password, like this way. Write here hint text equals to password. Now everything is fine. Now fine. And here you can see we have now access on this text through this constructor. This is a constructor. This is making the parameter. So this is constructor, and now we have access on that text. So that we have this hint text for the first text field. We have that means this hint text contains that the email, and another one for the second one this contains the password. So I need to show that text here. So right here only the hint text, like this way. That means you just used this parameter here. So now just save the project. You can now see here the enter email and another is password. Now I think it is now fine. Just write here that this one now fine. And now we need here, you can see, don't be panic, we will arrange it after making all the widgets. So here you can see enter your email and enter your password. So we want to create the UI same as it. So just write here enter your I'm sorry email, uh, enter your email like this way, and paste again it here. Save the project. Now it is same as that, but we have that icons at the last. So go here, and in the text field there is another property called maybe suffix. That suffix icon right here. Just in order to use the icon, we have a widget called icon, like this way. Create a bracket, and inside it write the icons dot email. Here put the comma and try to save it. Here you can see the icon of the email is filled successfully, but again in the both of the text field the icon is same, so we need to again pass the icon from here, this text field, to here. So just write here the final, just write here icon. I need to pass the icon data like this way. I write here icon like this way, and again do the same process. Pass here icon called icon equals to dot email like this way, and here icon, put here the comma to icons dot password like this way. And now we have also access on the email and the password, so just write here that icon like this way, and now save the project. And now you can see the, oh my god, that the email is now good, but the icon of the password is not matched with that, so that I need to pass here another icon named maybe key. Here you can see the key. Just save the project, and now it is looking similar to that but it is not similar. So again I want to search for that icon, but I think there is no icon like that, so leave it. I think you can manage it. So now it is quite similar to it, and now we have this text, that means this is also a button, text button, and which will be named as forgot password. For that again I need to go here and just write here the text, and there is another widget called flood text button like this way. Here on pressed, that means when you press this button what will be happen, it we need to write here, and inside the text we need to obviously write here the text. Inside it just write forgot password and the question mark, and just save the project. And you can see now we need here the space, and inside the style, where the style equals to text style like this way, and inside it we need to change its color equals to colors dot white like this way. And now save the project, and now it is quite similar to that. And just now make align it into the right side. So in order to align it, just wrap it with the align widget. You can see here, as I told you, in Flutter everything is widget, so that you can see here the live demo. Here the alignment equals to alignment dot center right. We need to make it right side, so that I'm going to click here the center right and save it, and it is now in the right side. So here again, wrap this widget with the padding and copy this line, because we need same padding as the text field have. Okay, oh, I'm sorry, like this way. And here remove these lines and paste the code here again, and just save it. And now it is aligned successfully. And now we have another button called login, which has the same container. So here we can create another button, another class, that means stateless widget, which will be button, because I am going to extract this button even also, because I did use here 3 times the same button. So that you can write here the button like this way, button. And here I need the same container, so just copy that container if you want. Otherwise you can write the code again. uh, uh, this is the padding widget that I need to copy. Here to here, copy it and go there and just paste the code here like this way. And inside the child, I don't need to add here the text field like this way. I need to just add here the text, and inside it write just write. And again you can see here in the different pages there is different text inside that button. So from it you can see that all the buttons have different text, so we need to extract this property even also. So here, go here and write here the final text write here the string if you want, then it is optional. You write here like this way and repeat the same process as we did before. And now inside the text we need to pass that. And now here the style will be text style like this way. Inside it write the color dot white, and the font size will be, go there and just take idea from here. You can see the size is 24 pixel. So now write here 24, just save the project. Nothing will be happened because we didn't call this widget. So that, and now as it is a button, it should have the on tap property. So in order to get that property on tap, you can see there is no any button mentioned here. So we need one thing that observe our taps. So in order to observe the tap or in order to add the gesture that will observe that tap, we need to add here the widget called gesture detector, right? Like this way. We need to add the widget called gesture detector like this way, and here we will get all the tap features. Here you can see on tap down and web, on tap cancel, everything is here. So just write here on tap like this way, and create one additional parameter like this way. Here just write here on tap, which will take the data type called dynamic, so that we don't need to, oh my god, remove it. Just z and create the constructor. Now everything is fine, and just pass that widget here on tap like this way. Now as it is the optional parameter, we can't even pass this parameter, and now go to your main module and just pass that widget called button like this way. And here the text is required, so that we need to write here the login like this way, and just save the project. And you can see the text even also, and the button is everything working fine. And now go to that button, and here you can see the color of this text is same as the background color. So inside that text, don't write here the color dot from RGB. Oh, right, like this way. Go to upper side and copy this color code, and go downside and again paste that code here like this way. Save the project. Something is happening wrong. We have two commas, so that now it is working fine. And I think it also have the font weight called bold, so just write here the font weight dot bold like this way. It's too much easy, so just save the project. And now you know that we need this text at the center of this button, so we need to center this. Inside this container there is a padding widget, we need to make it center. Save the project, and now it is centered successfully. And you can see here again there is another text button called new user sign up. So for that also we need to go here and just copy these codes and paste it at the downside like this way, and put here the comma. And we don't need that the alignment, we just want to align this widget into the center of the screen. So just write here the center, and here change this text into new user sign up. Here now you can see that button is also present here. And now all the widgets are created successfully, and only we need to arrange them like this UI. So you can see here we need some space between this, so you can we can see it by just that. You can see here that the 79 pixels, so go there, and here there is the widget called sized box, and we need to give it as height called 74 pixels. Just save the project. Now save the project, and now the height that the gap is successfully given. And here that is 65 pixel, you can see here. So that here also that side box, and the height will be, go there again, and 65 pixels, right here the 65 pixel. And now save it. Oh my god, save the project. Now it is it is now looking fine, and same as the UI. Here you can see somehow it is different because this screen is of iPhone 13, but it is our that Android large, so that it is looking somehow different. So today we did created the login page, and in the next video we will create the sign up page and others. So for watching the video, thank you, and in order to get notified, please subscribe my channel. So thank you.